Mariah, I'm thinking about getting a pet, but I'm undecided whether to get a cat or a dog. Which do you think would be the best option?
Well, James, cats are the most economical option, but they also require important care, such as quality food, a litter box with frequent cleaning, and in some cases even a source of clean running water to encourage them to hydrate.
I understand.
Another advantage is that cats don't require walks outside, which excludes collar and walker costs. For example, they don't even need to be bathed as they clean themselves, which reduces pet shop expenses.
What about the dogs?
Well, with regard to dogs, the main monthly expenses would be food, in addition to care with bath and groom, which is usually monthly, depending on the breed. There are also expenses with snacks and toys.
I've heard that even small dogs spend more than cats, as they need entertainment, whereas cats are more individualistic and self-sufficient.
For sure. In addition, the cat is usually ideal for those who work outside the house and spend the day away from home, and also for those who live in smaller spaces such as apartments, while dogs are animals that require more attention and more space.
I agree. But, on the other hand, I think having a dog increases the practice of physical exercises, because when taking the animal for a walk, the owners also go for a walk, and for me this would be very interesting.
That's true. Dogs, in addition to being great companions, help people to leave the house more often, to approach strangers easily, and this helps to reduce loneliness.
Wow, I think I'm even more indecisive now.
Well, you'll have to think about the advantages and disadvantages of each case and make a decision. Regardless of whether you adopt a dog or a cat, I am sure your life will be happier with a pet.